Look at
2.
Ready? Okay. There's
See
the.
a frog jump?
Yes.
Okay. This is how you do a frog jump into the pool.
Do you
1,
want to
2,
come
3.
sit here with our boy?
Nice.
Right here, put your feet in. You and Rocky can sit here, put your feet
Now
in.
you're just gonna frog jump into the pool.
What's a frog jump?
Okay. This is how it goes. Look. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just putting my feet in. I'm holding on to it. You don't have to do it. I just have my feet.
That's how you do a frog jump, Daddy.
Okay.
I can't get out.
Sit.
You know what I'm going to put?
Good.
I'm going to put my feet in.
Stand. Good boy.
Go, Rocky.
Who's trusting?